In 2015, Subway got roasted globally when a customer in Australia measured his sandwich and found that the footlong was only 11 inches. He posted the photo with a ruler next to it and captioned it, "Subway, we need to talk." The internet exploded. People started measuring their own subs and posting results. Most came up short. A class action lawsuit followed in the US, accusing Subway of misleading advertising. Subway argued that footlong was just a name, not a guarantee. But the damage was done. Memes called it the inch that broke America's trust. Eventually, Subway promised to improve consistency in its bread size, but the nickname 11-inch lies stuck around for years.